guys. So I'm Marie and I'm here with Tuafale, and she's a video installation performer.
Tuafale Tanoa'I is my name. People know me as Linda T, so that's the outgoing performance name. I am a performance video installation artist. So I'm a documenter, I'm a DJ. So that's been me since I was a teenager. Normal people can't say Tuafale, and I thought it's about time people learned.
Oh, that's awesome that you want to use your name.
Yeah, I reckon. About time, eh? Gee,
yeah, sometimes you gotta throw away the name that everyone's used to and, get them used to your, it's like your birthright.
Yeah, exactly. So.
Yeah, so can you tell me about your, your creative process during the Fale-ship residency?
Oh, okay. So to describe it in one word is intense. Intense in that I've got 200, 300 gigabytes of data. If any of you work computers, you'll know how big that is. That's a lot. So I've counted maybe 6,000 to 7,000 files, of which at least 6,000 would be still photos from the project, Chasing Chaka, a healing investment. So Chasing Chaka was a project that I dreamt up a couple of years ago, and I wanted to focus on one of my heroes. Chasing Chaka is short for Chaka Khan, being someone that I've played as a DJ, someone whose music I enjoy still, and I thought I'd love to see her live. So that's what I did a couple of years ago, knowing that if I was to go find Chaka Khan, how can I build that into a project that is that people would be interested in seeing? So, would you say there's been any challenges for you during this residency? Yes. This year was meant to have been basically I was pre-booked for a ton of different DJ gigs, here in Auckland and around the country, but also my TTTV, my television installation gigs was happening as well. So, so all the live performances went, so just as everyone else's, all the theatre people had to stop doing their all of it. So all of that, it kind of freaked me out a bit, because I thought, yay, finally, I've got consistent funding, Don't mind working for it, love DJing, love sharing music. But it was kind of got a little bit depressing, and then I thought, come on, T, you're also a documenter, you got tons of work to do.